Welcome. If you want to connect fake AirPods to your Android smartphone, at first you have to turn on Bluetooth and after that enter the Bluetooth settings. When we are here, we have to click to pair new device and then open charging case of the fake AirPods. And when they are going to appear on the available devices, we have to simply connect to them. But if it is not going to happen, we are going to use this back button to pair them. So be patient and just wait a little bit. Let's turn off Bluetooth and turn it on one more time. As you can see here, we got non-RB devices. So let's use this back button. So click, hold. Let's keep holding. Right now the indicator is blinking on the white color. It means that they are in the pairing mode, so we can turn on and turn off Bluetooth another time. And as you can see right now the AirPods appear on the list, so we can simply tap to connect, confirm, and as you can see right now they are connected. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!